Teacher Veronica,
Teacher Annie,
Teacher Joanne,
Teacher Selena,
Teacher Marie.
we are
The Visual Art Team.
Okay, so what do we need? The materials are wire, scissor, pencil, and magazine. Now how to do it? Take your magazine and fold it into half. Now you can take your pencil and draw the shape for the wings. I like it heart shape, so I will draw half heart shape over here. Okay, then take your scissor and cut it. Ta-da! I have heart-shaped wings. Now we're going to fold it like fan. You can fold it like this first. Up, and then bottom, and up, and bottom. Repeat. Keep folding and repeat until the whole heart shape. Wow, look at that! It's almost there. Ta-da! So pretty. Okay, now lower part. The lower part wings, we can draw smaller. We repeat one more time. We fold it half, and then take your pencil, and this time I want to draw oval shape. Take your scissor and cut it. Okay, now we repeat. We're going to another heart shape. Now we're going to fold it the same, up and bottom, the top and bottom. Now we have the bigger wing for the upper part and then the smaller wings for the lower part. Now how are we going to combine it? We're going to put a little sellotape in between the edges, and then you can use wire. Just twist it in the middle like this, and you can shape the axis like spiral like this to make the antenna. Twing, twing. Here you go, your spring butterfly. Fly, 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 butterfly. Okay, you can be creative. You can use other materials, just like newspaper or your leftover wrap packets from Chinese New Year, or magazine. You can make here another butterfly from the other materials. Okay? You can try it at home.
Thank you for watching. Stay creative.
and don't forget to post your artwork
On Facebook, Instagram, Kids Gathering Hong Kong.